Hi and welcome to a new video. Threads is an application developed by Meta, the company behind Instagram and Facebook. It is designed for sharing text updates or participating in public conversations and is quite similar to Twitter. You can view text, photos, and videos from people who interest you, and create and share your own messages. In this video, I'll show you how to use this new app. Let's go. First, open the App Store, search for Threads, and install it. After the installation, please keep in mind that utilizing Threads requires an active Instagram account. Threads and Instagram are interconnected through shared usernames and certain backend systems. Therefore, your existing data from Instagram transfers effortlessly to Threads. When you launch the app, you'll see your feed where you can explore content from the accounts you follow and discover posts that you may be interested in. The feed includes text, pictures, and videos. Here, you can like a thread, reply to it, and share your thoughts. You can choose to share this message with all your followers by reposting it, or you can share this as a message with others. Within a thread, you'll find the original message along with all its corresponding replies. On the Search tab, you can look for new or specific accounts to follow. Below, you can browse through suggested accounts, exploring ones that might capture your interest. Let me follow Mark Zuckerberg to visit his account and view all his profile information. Then below, you can find his threads and the corresponding replies. At the top, you can click on Replies to access the replies associated with his threads. This includes messages or threads that others have started that he replied to. If you want to receive notifications every time he posts something new, tap on the bell icon. Let's write a post. In the navigation bar, tap the Compose icon. You can include up to 500 characters of text or up to 5 minutes of video in the thread. To attach photos or videos to your post, tap the paper clip icon. Select a photo and click on Add. In addition, you can also specify who can reply to your thread. Currently, it's set to anyone, but you can also limit who can reply. Once done, you can now post your new thread. Now on the profile page, you can see My First Thread. In the profile view, you can find my threads and replies. At the top, I can also edit my profile. Similar to Instagram, you have the option to add a link to your bio on Threads. In the top left corner, tap on the globe icon. To turn your profile to private, toggle on the button next to it. Then, by tapping on the settings icon, you can access all of your different settings. A notable setting is Notifications, where you can define when to be notified about specific activities. As more and more people join Threads, it will become livelier. To stay updated on all activity, tap on the heart icon in the navigation bar. This opens up the All Activity view where you can see a summary of all the ongoing activity. Additionally, the view can be filtered. Replies can be viewed and all mentions can be focused on separately. Moreover, interactions from verified users reaching out to you can also be viewed. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.